Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this toilet. This toilet has a problem with the water. The water won't stop running. And I'm gonna show you the easiest way to solve this problem without replacing any parts or changing anything. And you only need to clean some parts and it will working again. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first step we close the drain, the water drain, and then the second step is we need to remove the toilet cover. Okay, let's open the water again. Okay, this left unit is a water filling valve that you can see with the black and red plastic there. You can adjust the red plastic to adjust the level of water that you want to fill. You can try to push down and up the floating plastic. If the water is not stopping, then we have a problem with the filling pipe unit. Okay, let's try to fix this and yeah, let's get started. First, we need to turn off the water. And we need to open the red plastic here by opening the two side hinges on the left and right side. After the red plastic open, you can remove the floating plastic unit and you can open the top side by rotating the upper plastic cap. And now we can see the toilet rubber diaphragm. This is the black rubber. This is the diaphragm that has a nozzle water in the middle. This is a very important part to make your toilet waters on and off. It has two nozzles and we need to make sure the nozzle is not clogging. And we need to open this black rubber. And yeah, we have a very dirty chamber. This is for the water pressure chamber. And I think the nozzle is clogging. Okay, as you can see here, we have a very dirty diaphragm rubber, the black one. And also this is chamber, diaphragm chamber. The water is coming in and out so many times. So it will create iron deposit like this or mud or anything else. We need to clean this regularly. It also depends on your water quality in your area. And sometimes these rubbers, you need to replace it completely with a new one because the rubber elasticity is no longer capable to do the on and off function. Right now I'm cleaning it with a glass cleaner. You can use also a regular soap to remove the water stain. Usually I'm using the glass cleaner to remove the water stain that's hard to clean. And after this we need to check if the rubber is still usable or we need to replace. I hope the rubber is still good, still not hard and still flexible to use to make on and off this toilet water function. Okay, I already cleaned this. Now you can see the movement. Okay, now let's put all parts back together and let's see how it works. Okay guys, the running toilet water problem is solved. I think we fixed this. Thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Terima kasih and bye bye.